So what is your shadow? Have you ever known somebody that was a bit of a bully? And anytime that they come across somebody else who's being a bully, they get angry with them and they start giving them heck and getting in an argument with this person for being a bully, telling them that they shouldn't be a bully. Yet it doesn't seem that they recognize that they themselves are a bully. It seems like there's a lot of hypocritical people out in the world. And that is because all perception is a projection. And projection is a concept perception and projection is something that's been around for a very long time. It was taught in the mystery schools. And it's taught in psychology, called projection. And in NLP, it's called perception is projection. And what it means is that we're only able to project on the outside world and see the behavior in other people that exist inside of us. And so our judgments about other people are really more about ourselves. And so when it's something that we suppress and we've hidden from ourselves, then it becomes something that's in our shadow. So we're unaware of our behavior. And so consciously, we're not aware of it. The behavior doesn't happen at the conscious level. It actually happens at the subconscious level. And our conscious mind, for whatever reason, is distracted and not aware that this behavior is actually happening. And so they're not aware that they behave like that. But it's really who they are. And when they project that on other people and they see somebody else who's behaving like they do, then they feel the need to step out and say something. So what that has to do is that there's some kind of a trauma in their life, and it's probably the same behavior that one of their parents had, and they decided that they were never going to be like that. And when you decide that you're never going to be like that, then what that does is it programs your subconscious to be like that. And so in trying not to be like that and suppressing that part of ourselves, we're telling our subconscious to actually be the way that we don't want to be. And so we do it unknowingly to ourselves. And then when we see other people actively engaged in it, then we're just angry with them. I mean, how dare you? So that's what your shadow is. The next video I'm going to do, and I'm going to link it here at the end, the next video is how to find your shadow self so that you're always projecting your shadow onto other people. So this will be how to recognize that. And so tune in for that one. And make sure you give me a comment below and make sure you like and, share this with other people. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. And until next time, have yourself an awesome one.